Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento 2. So today we are going to learn how to solve one of the issue, that is, here you can see that I have facing the issue no such file directory in the var new Magento 2 this app bootstrap.php. So basically in the Magento 2.4.6 or 2.4.3 above, basically the folder path has been changed. Now it's going to the pub directory, and basically we are creating the root script on the root path, right? So now when you try to create the root script, now you have to paste it into the pub directory. Okay, so I have updated that one in the pub directory. You can see that pub directory there is a root script. Okay, but currently it's not working. So how to solve this issue, like no such file directory in that directory? Let's check what exactly it is. So here the path is wrong. To check whether it's working or not, just you need to check the path should be correct, so that issue resolved makes happen. Okay, so I think the path is wrong, so I will just delete this one and try to add the path app and bootstrap. Okay, let's save this one and try to rerun. You can see the issue resolved. So make sure the path of the bootstrap should be correct, so that it won't be showing that error. Okay, so this is how we are able to solve this issue. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.